I had any cash left over, we took one.
Billy Boy here's been boosting the economy, one person by each person. Every single person gets something. He helps the taxi drivers. He helps the drummer boy. He helps random girls in the club. He's such a kind guy.
He's paying all their salaries. Your salary. Bill Will Do It LLC is spreading the gifts.
Spread the love. Come into a town near you.
So, we just woke up a little bit late in the day, about 3:30, and we're getting breakfast, English breakfast over here at Island Bar, I think it's called. Just here along the beach. So last night we went to like a local Bulgarian club, and they were like playing all the Balkan hit music, and everybody's dancing and smoking and throwing napkins in the air, and the drummer guys. Yeah, it was a good time. So we're gonna get this breakfast and then maybe hit the beach, maybe start drinking again. Breakfast has arrived. English breakfast. Just got done with that English breakfast, about $7 US each. Gonna go stroll down the beach, see what we can do, maybe get some drinks. Let's go. Every time I go to a country, my favorite souvenir is getting a magnet. So I'm about to grab one of these. It's about a little more than $1 US each.
Bye.
Bye.
These guys got the fresh juice. All right, we were walking around. They got that fresh juice where the lady tried to make me pay $5 to film it. We came up here to get a real drink. This is the good juice because it's got the rum in it. Pina colada. Got the White Russian.
I even put the coffee beans in.
Pina colada. All right, we made it back to the central area of Sunny Beach. Back to the dock area where we went to go party last night. Viking bar, Palm Beach bar or something. But those weren't that great last night, to be honest, unless you're like 18 and British or German. Then it's for you, to be honest. Us older guys, not really. But so beautiful out here. So much good beach area, and it's the low season, so not many people out here. Let's go down the dock. Sunny Beach. Look at these Americans. These guys look very American. I might know these guys. Oh yeah, you see them?
Where you at,
What
Miles?
up?
I'm ready to party.
Oh yeah? How about your twin back there?
Always wearing one, I'm wearing one.
Look at these twins on a romantic vacation together. All right, we're on a boat from Sunny Beach Dock over to Nessebar. 10 lev per person. Here we are arriving into Nessebar. We got the cross out here. All right, just made it off the boat. Here we are in Nessebar. Cool little peninsula, not an island. Nice restaurant. We're gonna go over here, check out this old stuff. Disturbers will be sanctioned. Do not disturb. Here we are, Nessebar. The Western Fortress wall. We got this little cat trying to hunt that bird. He ain't gonna get it. Come on, kitty, climb. Oh, just got him Bill's photo. My bad. Here we are walking around Nessebar. Got a couple shops. Gelato, Magnus. Typical tourist town.
Aaron, you want one?
Yeah.
The nice local beer.
Got the last ones.
Bulgarian beer.
Got it.
This boy is tired and needs a coffee.
I do need a cafe.
Hey,
What?
I don't need no coffee.
Hey, cheers, guys.
I just need brewskis.
Cheers.
You got the local basketball court. Me and Aaron actually used to be on the same basketball team back in the day, since elementary. I didn't mention that. I've known these guys since elementary school.
Yeah, I played on the Imperial Falcons.
You
too.
played? I don't remember you
Yeah,
playing. Did you warm the bench for us?
You down?
They have a lot of cool architecture out here. This is a U.S. ambassador, son. What? It's so beautiful out here. Look at the fig trees. Got a little amphitheater over here.
So we're just like always giving money. Sorry.
No, not for me. There's people behind you.
Oh, is there some guys?
Yeah. Little couple.
Not me.
A winery. I love little alleyways like this. It looks so cool. Alright, it's nighttime now. Did a little bit of shopping. I'll show you what they got later. Or maybe I won't show you. I don't know. And now,
Take a look at Bill's.
yeah, look at this. Looks good.
Got fangs
I just caught
Came
it.
straight from there.
I just caught it earlier.
The ocean there, fish straight to the plate. That's how fresh it is. And we tried the Bulgarian garlic bread. Aaron's got some good looking chicken with the mushroom sauce. And I got the Wolf's Pizza coming soon. I almost forgot to record it. Started eating it. Got pizza. It's kind of like Domino's. Hope you guys enjoyed coming with us to Nessebar. Next time, we're going to Plovdiv. It was a really neat city with a lot of ruins. Subscribe.